Will you believe me if I told you that one simple homemade body butter can replace your expensive lotions and cream? In this video, I will show you guys how I make my rich glowing body butter for the whole family using carrot, infusing baby oil, Vaseline, aloe vera, vitamin E, lavender, and my traditional oil from Turkey. This is safe for children, nourishing for adults, and also is packed with vitamin. Your skin will absolutely going to love it. But before starting it, please subscribe, like, and share for me. My returning subscribers, may God bless all of you. Now let's start the video, guys. Okay, my people, now I start to strain my carrot oil, the one that this oil I infuse it for 1 month now. So today that I'm straining it, I'm going to use this one. But before using it, I will definitely going to show you guys, maybe in case you want to make your own carrot oil. Through from this video, you also will learn how to make your own carrot oil, and you can learn how to make your body butter also. Okay, well, after straining it this way, you can do the double boil method, or you can make it double boil method and still leave it for 1 month or 2 months before strain it. And you can use any oil from your choice. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. So I'm using Johnson baby oil. Okay, this is the oil the last time I used and infused it, this one was remaining. So today is the remaining half that I'm going to pour it inside. So guys, the oil that you see me straining, that was the Johnson baby oil I used to infuse it for 1 month now, and today that I strain it. So the remaining, the half, that one I pour it inside the chaff again, and definitely I will add some carrots, 1 tablespoon also inside again of it to mix it again. Do it another double boil method, because I'm going to prepare it in case that oil, the one that I strain, is not enough for me, then I'll have oil in my hands. Okay, so now we are doing the double boil method. So this is the way that this is my carrot, the powder. You can dry it because it's the best way that to make your carrot oil. It's good when your carrot is dry, because when the carrot did not dry, it can happen that your oil cannot stand long unless you find preservative to preserve the oil from spoiling. If not, you know, it will be good when you use the dry carrot. So I make it, I dry it, and also I do what I blended it and using for my thing. So now I put 1.5 tablespoon that I added to the one that I have already used for 1 month ago. I add into it, you know, just to make it a little bit add a little bit. You can see how it's not all that powder, but it's okay. So now when you put it like this is the way that they call it double boil method. So you can do your oils for double boil method, or you can do it through from the cooking position. But I will advise that if you are going to make your carrot oil, especially if you are going to use Johnson baby oil, you should do it in the double boil method for the nutrients, not for you to kill all the nutrients. But if you are going to use, let's say aloe vera or olive oil or grapeseed or other oil or sunflower oil, any oil that you are going to use, any carrier oil that apart from Johnson baby oil, and you want to do it as a cooking method, then you are free. You can use coconut oil also to do it, then you are free to do it that way. If not, I will advise for you to do the double boil method. That one is perfect. And double boil method, when you make it like this also, don't do it this way and strain it. Always do it and keep it at least to stay for maybe 2 days before. If you don't have the oil, maybe 2 days or 3 days before you strain your oil. Okay, don't do it this way and start to use. But for me, well, I'm doing it this way because I'm already have the one that I'm already infused. Okay, these are the butters that I'm going to use to make my body butter. Okay, so I'm already have carrot butter and carrot oil, but I make this one just in case if the first one that I strain is not enough, then it means I have oil. I can add the carrot oil. It will not be a problem for me. So now I'm adding my product, my oil, my butters into it. I added that baby product Vaseline, and also I'm adding my organic Vaseline also inside. So those things that we are going to use to make this body butter. Okay guys, now I'm going to add avocado Vaseline inside. So this is very good for skin. It's smoothing your skin, and also if you have your skin is having some damaging, when they say damaging, maybe the skin is not smooth and you are using avocado Vaseline, it's something that it will smoothen your skin. So now after adding all these things, it's having finished here, because this is not the end of the butter. We still have to add another ingredients inside, so please stay tuned. And also, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, can you do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Okay, you can see my carrot oil now, the one that I infused for 1 month ago. So now I'm pouring it inside. So all these things, I'm going to do it the bread method to melt it together, because I don't want to lose the nutrients inside of the butter. Okay, so while I added my carrot inside, let's check and see the benefit of carrot oil. Okay, let's see carrot benefit of carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and beta carotene, which is brightening skin, replacing cells, and giving natural glow. Why baby oil that I used to infuse in, that baby oil also is locking in hydration to your skin. Okay, and also is the best for the dry or dull skin, the baby oil. So I used it to infuse this carrot oil, because I need both benefits from the body butter. So well, after that also I added my organic Vaseline. It's also organic Vaseline. It's also creating protective barrier that prevents water loss. It's also healing the dry leaf, eyeball, and nails. Okay, and it is safe for children also. As we all know, that organic Vaseline, I remember when I was a child, even my mom, actually not the full one, they used to buy it half. There was one lady in our area selling it halfway. When you are going to buy, they will use some spoon to cut for you. So when we just get any sore for our legs, our hands, or anything happen, we have a sore, my mom used to buy that organic Vaseline, that blue one, used to buy it and come and putting into our legs just to heal it. So that thing, even I know most of us, we know that one already, how it's working. So now after that, I melt everything together. So let's continue. I will take you guys and tell you other benefit that we'll have or we'll get from this body butter. Okay guys, now after finish doing like this, now I bring it here. I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. So vitamin E oil, so I'm adding my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, adding it to this product, it's also protecting skin from aging and improving elasticity and reducing skyness from your body. So adding it into it is another level. So now the next thing, I added my vitamin E oil. This one also is vitamin E oil. So why did I have to put both vitamin E oil? I don't know why, because one I brought it from drugstore and one I brought it from supermarket. So I don't know the difference. I don't think there is any difference, but I just want to put both vitamin E oil, maybe one tablespoon, and put inside. So now after that, I added my I'm going to add my lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is also calming, reducing so many things from your skin, also making your skin to look more fresh and more young when you are using it. It's also smoothing or improving sleeping to your body, So lavender, also adding it into, is perfect for especially at night when you are going to sleep night. You just use this oil for or this butter on yourself, your partner here, the smell alone, he's going to love it, or she's going to love that. Yeah. So now the next, I added my ylang, that one also. That one I cannot tell you guys. You can find it. Maybe if you really want to get that oil, you can contact with me. I have it selling. I'm selling that one. Is ylang, is a Turkish oil, traditional oil. They call it ylang. That means snake oil. Okay, so I'm selling it. I'm selling that one. If you need it, you can come. So but before we continue, let me just talk something here. Guys, you see the butter that I'm removing? I removed some butter inside. This oil we used to buy, actually we are buying it here And the last time we went to Ghana, we saw it. We said, okay, let us buy from Ghana also. So when we buy and come, these people, Ghanaians, who, you know, some of them, I cannot say all of them, some of them, you know what they do. You see this butter, that one that we are using, we buy it here. The left side one is here that we brought it. We brought it here. You can see inside, you cannot remove anything. But in Ghana, you see this one also. Something, there's another bottle or container is coming out. They find some things and put inside of that butter and also selling it highest price. You may think that is the butter is full inside, not knowing that they just find something to put inside. You see this one, they put it inside of it before put that oil inside. This one, how many oils is inside? So when you are just going to buy, you may think that, oh, that thing is full one, and you buy it, not knowing that they just find some fake things and put it. Why some business people, why are they doing like that? That's why some of them, their business is not growing. They will do like that, the business will not grow, because you are not doing genuine work. You are doing amana, you know, you are doing fake things, taking people money and buy. I don't know, it's what this thing is paying me, Papa, it's paying me. But anyway, that's by the way. Now, and that is all. We are not buying again. We also have our own butter to do what, to use. And also, don't worry, if you are interested to buy this oil, you can contact with me. Please check my description below. Check, you will see my email over there. My business email is there. You can contact with me. This body butter, I'm selling that one also, so it's very affordable, and you know, it's something that you are going to love. Your skin is going to love it, so you can contact with me if you need more to get it. So let's brief everything. You see carrots and those baby oil is also brighten your skin, and also your ages, if your age, you know, making you looking more young. While Vaseline also is moisturizing and healing dryness in your skin. Okay, so I added aloe vera Vaseline also. It's also having vitamin A, E and C. Okay, it's also smoothing and healing anti-aging. So it's very good for you to use in your body. And lavender also is doing what, treating, relaxing in your body, and also giving more smell good, and antioxidants is inside lavender essential oil. And while vitamin E oil also is adding electricity into your skin and also making you look more glowing. It's glowing you more. So all this also, snake oil also is having omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9. It's having inside. It's all moisturizing your skin, making your skin look more fresh. If you have damaging skin, it's going to replace it for you. So this butter, if you are ready to buy, you can contact with me. I have some selling. I will do what I can send it to you wherever that you are. So thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate. This one is just for the whole family. So if you also need some for your family, please feel free to contact with me. It's good for, it's safe for children, also children can use and adults also can use. See you guys in our next video. Bye bye.